Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you evaluation of postfix expressions in data structures using C. Okay, first let me explain you the concept of this, and after that let me move into the program. Okay, first let me show you what is the concept of postfix expressions. Consider this example. I hope you see clearly. Consider this example. Okay, consider this example 5 3 6 plus 6 2 slash, that is division symbol, and star, that is multiplication symbol, 3 5 multiplied by plus. Okay, this is the question. Okay, this is the question, and let me explain you further. Okay, and you see the question thoroughly. The question is 5 3 plus 6 2, division symbol, multiplication symbol, 3 5 multiplication symbol plus. Okay, this is the question. Okay, now let me explain you with a presentation of diagram. Okay, consider this is a stack. This is evaluation of expressions. Adjust this is evaluation expression using stack, right? First, what is the question? You must enter 5 and 3, right? The concept of this is that first we are entering, we are placing the numerical digits inside it. After that, when a symbol comes, that is, if a symbol like any symbol like a plus addition symbol or any symbol comes, we must add the previous two numbers. That is, if 5 and 3 are the numbers, we must add the previous two numbers. If a symbol like plus comes in, we must add these two numbers and you must put a plus inside. I hope you understand. See, this is 5 and this is, imagine this is 5. Okay, this is 5 and this as 3. Okay, and a symbol plus comes inside. What this symbol will do is that it will add these two. So this stack becomes as 8 now. Okay, I hope you understand, and this stack becomes as 8. Okay, and after that, then 6 is coming. So you are entering 6, you are adding, you are writing it as 6. Okay, then 2 is coming. Okay, see, 2 is coming, then division symbol is coming. So what I told you before, this 2 only, the last 2 only you must take. Okay, so we are dividing these two numbers. 6 divided by 2, what is 6 divided by 2? Is 3, right? So let me erase this. 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? Then in the place of 6 and 2, the answer as of 3 will be substituted. Let me explain you more clearly. Okay, first let me consider stack like this, and this is going like this. Okay, imagine. Okay, if it is 8, here it becomes 8, the 8 remains constant. Okay, and this 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? Then 3 comes next inside. I hope you understand. Next, what comes inside? 3 after 5 comes inside. Okay, then I am writing at 5. Okay, writing as 5. So sorry, I forgot this multiplication symbol. So after this becomes as 3, then multiplication symbol enters, right? Multiplication symbol, what is multiplication symbol? Then this 5 will not come. After multiplication symbol only 5 will come. Okay, multiplication symbol enters. What will the symbol do? The previous two numbers only, any symbol enters will consider. So the previous two numbers are 8 and 3, right? What is 8? 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Okay, 8 3s are 24. So keep this answer, and we are having in the stack only 24. I hope you understand, we are having only 24 in the stack. Okay, let me explain you more clearly. So we are having only 24 in this stack. Okay, now we are having only 24 in this stack. Then we are adding 3 and adding 5. So 3 will be added here and 5 will be added here. Okay, and then multiplied symbol. Multiplied symbol will be going to these two numbers, right? Multiplied symbol, if we multiply these two numbers, it will be 15, right? So this stack becomes, let me erase this. So this stack becomes 24, right? So this stack becomes only 24. I hope you understand. 24 plus, what is addition of these two? That becomes 15. What is 24 plus 15. I hope this is clumsy, but I did not have any other option. Okay, what is 24 plus 15? That is 39. Okay, and that is the answer of this question. Okay, that will be the answer of this question. The concept is very easy, that if any operators comes before two numbers, that operation must be done to the two numbers. I hope you understand the concept. Let me move further into the program. Okay, consider a stack as first let me explain from int. Okay, so that makes you more clear. Okay, first of all, int main is given. Okay, then we are setting a character of 20 as exp as a variable we are setting. Okay, next care of pointer variable with why we are saying pointer variable? Just because it shows the address, so that we are giving only single character to hold, so we are not mentioning any number of characters it must hold. Okay, and then int n1 n2 n3 and num. What is the value of this? What is the meaning of this? We let me show you the meaning of these variables in further. Okay, and printf enter the expression. We are getting that expression using scanf in the variable of exp. Okay, and we are assigning exp is equal to e. That is, the first letter of exp will be e. Okay, the first letter of exp will be e, and it moves on further after e plus plus here we are doing here, so that it moves to next position, so that the value of e keeps on changing, and we are assigning the first variable of the expression to e, and the value of e keeps on changing just because e holds only one variable. Okay, and exp can hold more than 20 variables. Okay, and 20 variables. Okay, while asterisk e not equal to null, that is, the pointer of e is not equal to null. That is, if the value of e is null, it means the loop has ended, right? So that since so while asterisk e, that is address of e, is not equal to null, you move into the loop. We are saying that. Okay, when it is not null, you move into the loop. If it is digit of asterisk e, if the number is digit, that is, as I said before, as I did the problem before, it takes only the digits 0 to 9. Only it takes digits, that is, digits means 0 to 9. Okay, if that number is in between of 0 to 9, you move into this if condition. We are assigning that like that. Okay, if is digit of asterisk e, you move to the following condition: num is equal to asterisk e minus 48. Why we are mentioning 48? ASCII value is 48 greater than that previous number. If the value is 0, the ASCII value of that is 48 plus than that. Okay, if the value is 0, it is 48, then 49 for 1, like that. The value keeps on changing if it is a number. Okay, so we are removing that ASCII value and we want only that number, so that we are putting it here as num is equal to asterisk e minus 48. That is, the ASCII value of e is some number, some variable. The ASCII value starts from 48 for numbers. Okay, for is digits, so that we for removing that and for getting only that number, we are using asterisk e minus 48. If the value we got is a perfect number, we can push that number. We have already defined a function called void push. Void push means what? We are getting a number and we are pushing it into the stack. That's all. Stack plus plus top is equal to x. We are pushing a top. Here we mentioned int stack of 20. Int stack of 20, why? The stack must hold 20 numbers. Okay, 20 numbers. And top is equal to minus 1. As I told in my previous video, why we are maintaining top is equal to minus 1? If top is equal to minus 1, the top is empty, that is, the stack is empty. Only if the stack is 0 or something else, the stack contains some elements. If stack is minus 1, we are initializing it. We are producing a top, that is, stack we are making, and the top is, we are just assigning the value. That is, the top has no value and it is only a stack. That means, okay, void push of int x, we are stack of plus plus top is equal to x. What is the meaning of this? We are assigning this x as plus plus top. That is, we are making the top as 0 and we are assigning that value. Since the top is as minus 1, we cannot add any value. Let me, as I told in the previous video, if the stack is minus 1 only, you may know that the stack has some numbers. If the stack is 0, it does not have any number, right? See, if the stack is minus 1, it does not have any number. If the stack is 0, it has a number. So let me give you some example. Wait a minute, let me give you an example. Now what is the meaning of stack, right? First of all, now consider this a stack. Okay, consider this a stack. If this is -1, then it does not contain anything. If it is 0, it means 0 here. If it is 1, it is 1 here. If it is 2, it is 2 here. Okay, and if it is -1, it has only some value and it does not have any, it means some position, it does not have any value. Okay, I'm trying to explain you this one. Okay, and okay, since the value is a -1, we must increase the position to 0. Only if the position is 0, we can add any value. I hope you understand. Okay, that is the concept I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, stack plus top is equal to x. Int pop, what is the value of int pop? Int pop means we are pushing an element, means entering into the stack. Popping means moving out of the stack. It's called pop. I hope you understand. Written stack of top minus minus. Since the value is this, that if the top is 2, top minus minus means we are neglecting this value and we are containing this as we are measuring. Sorry, if we have popped a value out, pop the value out means if it is the value is 2 here, we are popping it out, right? So this value will not exist. So this is actually the top. If the top is deleted, then the tops below, that is top minus minus, will act as top. That is what is given here. Okay, return stack of top minus minus. Okay, you must return the top position as top minus minus. Understand? That is the value of push and pop. Okay, I have told you what is the value of push here. I hope you understand. If is the digit of asterisk e, num is equal to asterisk e minus 48, push of num. Okay, then else, if it is not a digit, if it is a number, okay, sorry, if it is if it is not a digit, means what does it mean? It is a operation. Okay, what is the operation? Plus, minus, multiplication and division, right? If it is operation, then what we must do is pop n1 and pop n1 and n2. What does that mean, right? Let me explain you. See, what we must do is that we are taking these two elements out. That is, let me explain you. 5 and 3, we are taking it out, and then we are getting it as 8 and we are pushing it into the stack. I hope you understand. The same thing we are doing here. We are taking that 5 and we are 5 is n1 and the 3 is n2, right? We are taking that out, and if the switch of asterisk e, we are using a switch case for that expression. That is, what is that expression? That is any operation. If when it enters into the else part, when it is not a digit, that is any operation, we are switching that operation into this case. Okay, switch asterisk e, then case of plus. If it is a plus, n3 is equal to n1 plus n2. That is, n3 is, what is the value? 8 is n3. I hope you understand. Sorry, I hope you understand. 8 is n3. Okay, n3 is equal to n2 plus n1. Okay, that is this. Okay, you case plus means, case minus means you are minusing, we are subtracting. Case multiplication means you are multiplying. Case division means the larger number divided by smaller number. Okay, and then that is n2 by n1. Okay, and then we are breaking. That's all. I hope you understand this code. We are nothing we are doing. We are doing just operations that is given in the stack. Okay, and then after that, we, what is e? As I told before, e is some one element, right? E is only storing one element, so that it must move to the next element for further process. Till it reaches null value, it must move into the loop, right? While of as I told before, where it is while asterisk e not equal to null. Okay, till it not equal to null, e plus plus, we are what we are doing? We are placing the pointer to next, that is placing the e to next value. Okay, so printf, the result is x comma p pop of something. Okay, what is this pop? Pop is stack minus minus. It will print what is inside the stack. Okay, okay, I hope you understand. Let me run this code first. What was the question? 5, I forgot the question. 5, 3 plus 6, 2 by multiplication symbol, 3 5 multiplication symbol, plus. Okay, the result is 39. As I wrote before, the answer was also 39. It is here, it is also 39. So this is the value of this. Okay, I hope you understand this very clearly. So thank you for watching this video fully. Thank you.